Every flight you take is backed by a team of experts ensuring everything runs smoothly. One of the key players? Flight dispatchers, the professionals working behind the scenes to make sure flights take off and land safely. If you love aviation but prefer working on the ground, this could be the perfect career for you. What does a flight dispatcher do? Think of a flight dispatcher as a co-pilot on the ground. They analyze flight routes, assess weather conditions, calculate fuel requirements, and coordinate with pilots and air traffic control. Their job is crucial in ensuring flights are on time, fuel efficient, and, most importantly, safe. What will you learn in this training? A flight dispatcher training program equips you with the skills needed to handle real-time flight operations. Some key areas covered include airplane flight route planning, mapping out the safest and most efficient flight paths. Rain cloud Whitsun weather forecasting, understanding how storms, wind speeds, and turbulence impact flights. Fuel pump fuel and load calculations, balancing efficiency and safety for every flight. Scroll aviation regulations, learning about international air traffic laws and airline procedures. Police cars revolving light emergency handling, making critical decisions in case of diversions or technical issues. Who can apply? This course is open to anyone with a 10+2 qualification, preferably with science and mathematics, or a degree in aviation or related fields. Courses usually last 6 months to a year and are available in both classroom and online formats. Top institutes offering flight dispatcher training. Some of the best aviation academies in India offer industry-recognized training with certifications and placement assistance. Top institutes include School Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics, School Aptech Aviation and Hospitality Academy, School Cap Sahil Khurrana Aviation Academy. Career opportunities and salary. Once certified, you can land roles such as Aeroplane Departure Flight Dispatcher, Aeroplane Departure Airline Operations Controller, Aeroplane Departure Route and Schedule Planner. Top recruiters include Indigo, Air India, Vistara, Qatar Airways, and Emirates. The starting salary ranges from 4 lakhs rupee to 8 lakhs rupee per annum, with higher earnings as you gain experience. Why wait? Start your aviation journey today. With air travel booming, the demand for skilled flight dispatchers is at an all-time high. If you're ready to step into this exciting and rewarding career, explore the best flight dispatcher training programs on sulekha.com and take the first step toward your dream job. Rock it!